I want to get all of this loose snow down to start with. Oh, that was a proper shake of the tree, wasn't it? Now, all the snow's down, and I can start. And then essentially, I'm just gonna dig it out and pile it up around the edges. I'm gonna get myself some big long poles, essentially make like a little teepee, and then I can balance the small branches on the top. I'm almost weaving a thatch to replicate the lower branches of a thick spruce. I don't want to be on the floor, essentially. The floor is the cold well. That's where it's going to be damp and cold and horrible. But I'm going to try and wedge some poles in about a mid-level so that I'm up elevated, put some spruce branches on top to give me a little bit of insulation, and hopefully the cold air will sink down. Moment of truth. Is it going to sink in? Ah. Ha ha ha. It's like a bed of nails. But it's a bed at the end of the day, isn't it? It's a bed. This bed is good. First time I've made my bed in a long time. Oh my goodness, I am exhausted. It's been a good day, actually. I've made a lot of distance. Snowshoes, big success. Finding water, running water, big success. Pine nuts also, big success.